Happy New Year, everybody. I know that you're working hard to make 2020 your best and healthiest yet. And so I've got a tip for you. We all know we need to drink more water. So how can we help ourselves with that habit and make it interesting and delicious? And I just want to share with you that having fruit-infused water, a pitcher of it. So find yourself a pitcher that you love. I love this pitcher. And I used to be worried that I didn't have a lid for it, but you don't need a lid for it. It's really fine. It's just water with fruit infused. And oranges are really my favorite, but limes and lemons, of course, love all of them. So, but if you slice up a pineapple, add the pineapple core to this. Cucumbers are really good. If you got some mint leaves or basil leaves, you have some fresh basil from something else, put those in there. You'll be surprised about basil water. It's amazing. So when you have your pitcher in your fridge, and this now is my new night routine to refill it with our good filtered water. So every night, fill, replace, have it ready to go the next day. And also you can, as you drink this down, you can refill it back up. That as slices will infuse 2 batches before they start losing their flavor. That's my tip for you. So here you go. I hope 2020 is your best year yet.